Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji. Let us see a practical example using the lookup function. Here we have a simple invoice format and the user will enter only the item name and quantity sold to the customer. We need to fill in the rest of the data of the item from the item master table. Here you will learn about certain things you might not have noticed about the lookup function. Please note that for the lookup function, the result range does not have to be within the search range. Let us enter the function and see how it works. Here we need the rate of the item, so our lookup function will go like this: equal to lookup key cell, which is the item name user will be entering. The search range has to be the item names in the item master table, and the result range is the rate from the rates column in the item master table. Here you can see I have not included the rate column in the search range, but still it has returned the correct rate of the item. Now to get the item code. Item code is to the left of the item name column. Still, the lookup function will return the corresponding item code. The amount column is the product of item rate and quantity. When we do not have data in the lookup key cell, that is the item name, the formula cell shows an error. To avoid this, put lookup function in the if error function and return blank if error comes. Now edit the references by putting $sign at appropriate positions and copy it to the rest of the range. Your invoice is done. Few things to remember for lookup function to work correctly. Enter the search key, that is the item name in this example, correctly as in the master. The search range field of the table has to be sorted, in this case the item name column. If you do not follow these rules, lookup function might give you wrong results. This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.